Hello dear students. In this video, we will learn about ternary operator or conditional operator. First of all, this ternary operator is this question mark operator. And before we go to its use, what is this question mark used for? Let's first of all understand why it is called as ternary operator. Now, it is called ternary operator because this question mark works with three operands. What I mean is, just check plus is a binary operator because it works with two operands, or minus is a binary operator, it works with two operands. Correct? But question mark is such an operator which works with three operands. See the grammar of ternary operator, syntax. We have some expression over here which is followed by question mark, our operator. This is called ternary operator, followed by expression, then a colon character and an expression. Clearly observe expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. So this operator question mark is associated with three operands. That's why the name given ternary operator. But the next question comes, realize that why it is called as conditional operator. Now, basically, this question mark operator can be used as replacement to if else. So in case you don't want to use if else, you can use question mark. So question mark operator can be used for checking conditions, just as if statement checks the condition and either executes if portion or executes else portion, depends on whether the condition is true or false. Just like that, this question mark can be used for checking condition. So that's why it is known as conditional operator. Clearly observe, I have written here, ternary operator is used as replacement to if else. Now, as an example, you just observe the code written below. If A is greater than B, then we want to make C equal to A, else we want to make C equal to B. So in short, C will store the largest between A and B, isn't it? Now the same thing we want to write it using question mark. We don't want to use this if else. So we can write this as C should become equal to. After all, C will store the value. There is a question mark here, and before this question mark, we will give a Boolean condition, a Boolean expression which can either evaluate to true or false. And after that, we'll give A, then colon B. Now, whatever I have written here using question mark is absolutely same as whatever we have written using if. How to read this? You can read this question mark as if. This question mark is nothing but if. So we are asking if A is greater than B, if this condition is true, let's say, if A is greater than B, if this condition is true, then make C equal to A. C should become equal to A if A is greater than B, and this colon should be read as else. So if A greater than B is false, then C should take the value of B. That's exactly what is written using if over here. So that's what has been shown. This is the code which is equivalent to the if else. And the explanation is, if A greater than B is true, then C will become A. C will become A if the if is true, if this condition is true. Otherwise, C will become equal to B. Okay. Now, what if we are given some question mark expression like this? Just check. A greater than B, question mark, printf max is A, else, this is read as else. Printf, max is B. Now you notice that this is still a ternary operator. So we say if this condition happens to be true, suppose, then the statement or the expression given after question mark will run because the condition is true. So it will print A. Indeed, it should print A because A is greater than B. But if the condition is false here, then the part written after colon should run. So can we write equivalent if else now? Let's do opposite of what we did before. What is the equivalent if else statement for this question mark? It will be if A greater than B. If it is true, then printf. Printf max equal to %d A. A is largest, semicolon. Else printf max, max is equal to %d B. B is largest. This if else and this code written using question mark are exactly the same. That's how you write ternary operator in C language. Now it depends on the taste of a programmer. In fact, I have never used question mark much because I feel always that if statements are more readable and any layman who doesn't know much about programming can understand this if else very well. Whereas these question marks are really crude way of writing a few things. But still the option is given. You can replace an if else with this question mark operator. Thank you very much.